Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Welcome back to Bake with Fumi. So in today's video we're going to be learning how to make salted caramel cake. This cake is super delicious. You can use it for your desserts, you can use it for your fondant cake, you can use it for your cream cakes. If it's what you like to see and learn, please keep watching and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So to start with, you're going to need unsalted butter, and then we're going to need brown sugar, soft brown sugar, and then we're going to need our milk and also our eggs, and then our vanilla, and lastly our flour that has baking powder and salt mixed together in it, and I've sieved the flour. So to start with, we're going to start with our sugar and butter, and we're going to mix this until it becomes light and fluffy. You can use your stand mixer, but I'm using hand mixer for this recipe because it's a small batch that I'm making. You can also double this recipe to as much as you want. If you're new to my channel, I do want to welcome you specially. Thank you for stopping by. But before you leave, please be sure to become a part of this community by clicking the subscribe button right now. And also click the bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video so you don't miss it. Now that our butter and sugar is well mixed, is now looking fluffy, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. And also please do remember to always scrape down the sides of your bowl so everything you're mixing gets mixed in very well. Now we're going to be adding our eggs one after the other. So enjoy the rest of the video. So now I'm going to pour my butter into my greased and lined cake pan. I'm using size 8 pan. You can also use size 6 pan. So you're just going to pour it and smoothen the top of your batter and just beat it down on your table a little bit to release the air bubbles, and bake in your preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 35 minutes. Now our cake is ready, so I'm just going to flip it out from the pan and get it on the rack so you can see what it looks like. Here's our cake. It's very soft, very fluffy. You can use it for anything, for fondant cakes, desserts, and cream cakes. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're inspired to try this recipe, and do let me know in the comments when you're going to try yours. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Happy baking!